In this video, we are going to see how we can remove all the freckles or reds or any kind of blemishes from the face, and you can do it beautifully and naturally using Nano Banana. But as you can see, there is a sudden drop in quality. It's not up to mark. The original picture looks like this, and this is how it looks afterwards. So we will try to work on that thing as well. But just to tell you that I have got this image from Pixels. You can get the same, or otherwise you can check the resources section for this same picture. So what we will do is just go to Gemini, just insert a file or upload a file. This is the one. And let's just ask to remove blemishes, reds and freckles from the face, but keep the original texture intact. Produce result in same quality. So let's see if we give this detailed command instead of just asking to remove the freckles from the face. Let's see how it reacts to this. So although it has generated the picture in good quality, but it has changed the facial features completely, and that I didn't like. So let's start a new chat and just ask to remove freckles, but keep skin texture as it is. Let's ask this. And the result we got, although it is nice, but again, it changed the girl completely. So let's go for the third time and just ask to remove the freckles. That's it. And again, it has completely changed the girl. So what we'll do afterwards is we will try LM Arena. Let's go to the new chat, click on upload image. Here's our original image. And let's ask to remove the freckles. In fact, let's ask to keep skin texture intact and produce image in high quality. So as we can see, the results are pretty awesome. But if we download this, or if we see it in this way, you will notice that it looks like AI created because it smooths the skin a lot. It didn't keep the normal facial texture or whatever you normally see on the face. So it has completely removed that, but still it is a very high quality picture. It has kept everything intact. And let's compare this with original picture side by side. So when we compare both of these side by side, you will notice that the facial features are intact. It didn't change a thing, but it hasn't maintained the natural texture of the face. That's the only problem, but otherwise it has completely removed all of this freckles or blemishes from the face and makes the skin clear. So that's how you can use Nano Banana to perfectly remove the blemishes or the freckles or redness from the face with a single command. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.